Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the DeathMARK Tracker in Rainbow Six Mobile. So first, let's talk about what the DeathMARK Tracker actually does. This feature helps you mark or reveal enemy positions temporarily, giving you and your team a huge advantage when pushing or defending. To use it, you'll need to play an operator or use an ability that supports tracking. Once you're in a match, activate the DeathMARK Tracker when you suspect enemies are nearby or hiding in a room. This will highlight or reveal their position for a short period of time. Timing is really important here. Don't just use it randomly, try to activate it right before entering a room, during a push, or when your team is coordinating an attack. That way, everyone can take advantage of the information at the same time. You should also communicate with your team while using it. Let them know when enemies are marked so they can react quickly and secure eliminations. And one more tip, since the effect only lasts a short time, make sure you act fast. Use the information immediately instead of waiting too long, or you'll lose the advantage. And that's it. That's how you use the DeathMark Tracker in Rainbow Six Mobile to gain better map awareness and outplay your opponents. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!